Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Global Scholarship. Today we have a scholarship called UK-India TOEFL Scholarship, and this scholarship is provided by ETS, and student will be rewarded 2,40,000 rupees. And this scholarship is open to undergraduate and postgraduate students. The link for the scholarship is given below in the description box. To know the application process, please keep watching the video. If you enjoy content like this, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel at the Global Scholarship. You can also join us on Instagram, Telegram at the Global Scholarship. So now let's start video. First type the globalscholarship.org. Click on the first link that appears on your page. Now this link will take to your official website which has three broad categories like scholarship, abroad scholarship, competition and awards. Click on abroad scholarship. Here you will see list of scholarship according to your eligibility. So for today let's focus on UK-India TOEFL scholarship. Hit on new button and now you can see interface that has scholarship details like scholarship name, scholarship provider, scholarship rewards that is 2,40,000 rupees and important dates like start date, end date, education. Undergraduate and postgraduate students are eligible to apply for this scholarship. After that, I want you to go through scholarship description once to know intent by the scholarship provider. Once done with that, check out the eligibility criteria that is given here. So go through it. Moving on, you will see how to apply for the scholarship. So hit on click and apply button. And now you can see scholarship form is open in front of you. So here you need to fill details like your name, mobile number, email address. Please make sure to put valid mail ID to receive further updates related to scholarship. And next you need to fill city, state, and next comes test score section. So here you need to fill TOEFL test score and 10th grade scores, 12th grade scores, graduation scores. And next you need to attach a proof of your TOEFL score at the time of application. And next you need to attach a PDF file here of essay submission on topic creating a social impact with UK based education, and that must be 500 words. And next you need to fill details for personal and academic achievements. And next you need to tick any of the options. How did you hear about this scholarship? And next tick the checkbox I agree to the terms and condition of this scholarship, and then click on submit your scholarship application. So this is how you go through scholarship application process of UK-India TOEFL scholarship. Thank you for watching the video.